Dinner at 8 has 9 major characters. There are 3 couples in the story, and the couples are the Jordans, who are throwing the dinner at 8. The Packards, who are nouveau riche couple, slightly tacky, very blustery. And the third couple is the Talbots. That's the doctor who's having an affair with Kitty. And in addition to those 3 couples, there are 3 other characters that are single. And that is Paula, who is engaged to be married, and she is having an affair with the movie star, Larry Renault. And then finally is Carlotta Vance. And she kind of carries herself with that confidence and elan of an old movie star. The Packards are some of the most colorful characters in Dinner at 8, and some of the most comedic ones.
Kitty Packard and Dan Packard, they're a married couple that hate each other. And Kitty Packard is one of my favorite characters in the opera. She was kind of raised on the wrong side of the tracks being New Jersey. And, but she has managed to marry a man who is making a lot of money and is rising up in the world.
My Danny, he buys me these bracelets that are just so gorgeous, but he never buys me the ones I want. You know, never the ones I want.
I think of Dan Packard as kind of a Donald Trump guy.
Well, I guess I'd have to say about my wife is she's the most beautiful thing you've ever seen. The only thing more beautiful is the diamonds on her.
Another character I love is Carlotta Vance. She is a former theater actor in New York, highly successful, but like many characters in this play, have fallen on hard times.
She's vivacious, she's got a lot of life force, she doesn't suffer fools, and yet she puts her foot in her mouth all the time.
But she's a survivor, and she's tough as nails and very funny.
And the stories of those well-delineated characters is what makes Dinner at 8 the masterpiece that it is.